You sit down at your desk, and before you even sip your coffee, the inbox is overflowing with unread threads and sudden grant deadlines. You can bypass this entirely by building an automated executive assistant that compiles a prioritized daily briefing for you, completely finished before you even start your workday. To set this up, you need two things: an active Pro subscription to Claude and the Claude Desktop app installed on your computer. By reclaiming that first hour of the morning, you stop playing catch-up and start the day executing your actual strategy. Step 1. Open the Claude Desktop application and click directly on the Cowork tab at the top of your interface. Next, navigate into the Connectors library. Here, you will authorize the integration for both your Gmail and your Google Calendar. Make sure you authenticate your central nonprofit workspace account here, not your personal email, so the assistant pulls the correct data. Now that your accounts are connected, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar to initiate a new scheduled task and give it a clear name. In the scheduling parameters, find the frequency dropdown and set it specifically to weekdays. Then, lock the daily execution time to exactly 8:30 a.m. Giving the system direct access to live data streams turns it from a passive chat window into an active, independent agent working in the background. With the schedule set, we need to write the instructions. Start by telling Claude to scan today's Google Calendar for all of your upcoming meetings and commitments. Step 2. Instruct it to look through your Gmail and isolate any unread messages received within the last 24 hours. Command the agent to cross-reference both of these data sources to build a single, unified document that outlines your required actions for the day. To make the briefing highly relevant, explicitly tell the agent to flag and prioritize specific terms like grants, donors, and volunteers. This diagram illustrates token drain, the rate an AI model consumes daily limits based on task complexity. Selecting the powerful Opus model rapidly consumes your capacity. Instead, select the Sonnet model. It is the most efficient engine for this automation. By pairing strict keyword filters with an efficient model, you get a highly relevant daily briefing without exhausting your account limits by 9 a.m. Local execution means Cowork processes tasks directly on your physical machine, rather than remotely on Anthropic servers. Because of this, you have an always-on requirement. If your laptop is closed at 8:30 a.m., the scheduled automation fails to execute. To prevent this, go into your system sleep settings and adjust your preferences to ensure the machine remains awake during that specific morning execution window. You do not need to wait until tomorrow to see if this works. Click the manual Run command to test the system right now. Look at the right-hand panel on your screen. You can monitor the live checklist as the agent independently analyzes your calendar and inbox data step by step. Keeping processing on your local machine ensures superior privacy for your sensitive data, but it demands strict hardware uptime to function properly. The run is complete. You now have a clean, formatted daily schedule and a fully prioritized to-do list right in front of you. Notice how the agent successfully flagged the urgent overnight emails explicitly because they contained your target keywords for grants and donors. You can scale this even further. By adding the Slack connector to your workflow, you can have Claude automatically broadcast this exact briefing to a wider team channel every morning. The hours you save bypassing manual inbox triage translate into a direct, measurable increase in the time you spend advancing your core mission.